Ready to run smarter and faster in 2025 today? We're counting down the top 5 running shoes that redefine comfort, performance, and innovation. Whether you're chasing a marathon PR or hitting daily miles, these shoes combine cutting-edge cushioning, lightweight designs, and next-level support. Let's dive into the best pairs that every runner needs to know this year. Number 1. ASICS Novablast 5. The ASICS Novablast 5 running shoe is designed for runners who yearn for energy, comfort, and performance in every step. With a heel-toe drop of 8 mm and a weight of only 255 grams, it finds the ideal balance between cushioning and responsiveness. Its FF Blast Max cushioning technology provides phenomenally soft landings and a very energized toe-off, making daily runs feel effortless and springy. The engineered jacquard mesh upper of the shoe improves breathability and stretch for a comfortable but secure fit, with tongue wing construction to reduce movement for greater comfort and stability. A trampoline-inspired outsole design maximizes bounce and responsiveness, making every step feel spring-like. A HARLO rubber delivers excellent traction and durability on any surface. Reflective accents provide low-light run visibility for added safety. Eco-friendly runners will also love that 75% of the upper is made from recycled content, and the solution-dyed sock liner dramatically conserves water and carbon emissions. Price at $150. The Novablast 5 is a light, environmentally friendly running shoe that balances style, sustainability, and high-end performance for a charged ride every step of the way. Number 2. Nike Pegasus 41. The Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 41 delivers the most energized ride, yet combining springy React X foam with dual air zoom units in the forefoot and heel for maximum responsiveness and comfort. Designed for everyday road running, this latest version offers a 13% increase in energy return compared to previous models, making each stride lighter, smoother, and more efficient. The engineered mesh upper has been refined to be lighter and more breathable, ensuring improved ventilation and a more comfortable fit over long distances. The waffle-inspired rubber outsole enhances traction and flexibility on various surfaces, while the plush collar, tongue, and sock liner provide a snug, cushioned feel. A wider forefoot and heel adds stability, and increased stack heights deliver extra cushioning and protection underfoot. Built on the reliable MR10, last for a consistent fit, this shoe also features reflective details for visibility in low-light runs. Importantly, it's made with at least 50% recycled content, reducing environmental impact. Price at $145. Weighing approximately 297 grams with a 10 mm heel drop, the Pegasus 41 combines responsiveness, comfort, and sustainability for the ultimate running experience. Number 3. ASICS Gel Kayano 32. The ASICS Gel Kayano 32 redefines stability and comfort for distance runners who require top-level support and smooth performance. The shoe is made for road running and has an 8 mm heel drop and weighs about 300 grams with a balance between cushioning and control. The FF Blast Plus midsole of the shoe gives a cloud-like experience with greater responsiveness and less weight, delivering a softer, smoother stride. Paired with rear foot pure GEL technology, 65% softer than regular GEL runners, benefit from outstanding shock absorption and comfort throughout the run. The revolutionary 4D guidance system adjusts to every step, encouraging a more balanced and stable gait. A tough tongue wing and engineered mesh upper enhance fit, ventilation, and support, with Ortholite X55 sock liner providing cool, managed moisture comfort. The hybrid ASICS Grip outsole, combining ASICS grip and AHAR Plus materials, provides traction and durability on various terrain. Price at $165. The Gel Kayano 32 is the ultimate running choice for runners who yearn for stability, comfort, and environmentally friendly innovation. Number 4. ASICS Gel Nimbus 27. The ASICS Gel Nimbus 27 is designed for neutral runners who want superior comfort and support for running on the road. With an 8mm heel drop and a weight of 305 grams, it has maximum cushioning to give a soft cloud-like ride. Suitable for runners with normal or high arches, it also helps in shock absorption and prevention of injury. The jacquard mesh upper is engineered for a soft, breathable fit, and the knit tongue and collar add comfort and support. FF Blast Plus cushioning provides lightweight responsiveness and a softer ride, and Pure Gel technology provides smoother, gentler landings. The hybrid ASICS Grip outsole enhances traction durability and softness for performance consistency. A primary emphasis is on sustainability, with 75% of the top material comprised of recycled content, and the solution-dyed sock liner greatly conserving water and reducing carbon emissions. The OrthoLite X55 sock liner provides added step and comfort, while reflective accents increase low light visibility. Price at $165. The Gel Nimbus 27 unites cutting-edge cushioning, environmentally friendly design, and exceptional traction to develop a highly responsive and ultra-comfortable running shoe designed for long-distance performance. Number 5. Saucony Endorphin Elite 2. The Saucony Endorphin Elite 2. Designed to perform at their best, this competition day shoe is crafted to provide the ultimate in speed, comfort, and energy return. It sports an 8mm offset that provides the ideal balance of cushioning and responsiveness. The headliner of the show is the IncrediRun foam, a Generation Next super foam that returns excellent rebound and energy back to you, ensuring you never lose momentum from beginning to end. A carbon fiber plate extending from the heel to the toe through the midsole reinforces propulsion and delivers smoothened-out transitions with each stride, making it perfect for competition runners seeking personal records. The Featherlight knit and mesh upper provides ultimate breathability, glove-like fit, and a connected feel that glides easily with your foot. Engineered specifically for race day and high-performance training, this shoe pairs ultra-lightweight construction, explosive energy return, and long-lasting traction. Price at $290. Each component from the cushioning to the plate and upper cooperates together to deliver a fast, fluid, and responsive ride for athletes who require top-flight performance on every run. Thanks for viewing our countdown of the top 5 running shoes of 2025. Each shoe brings innovation, comfort, and speed to cater to every runner's stride. Whether you run personal records or everyday miles, these shoes redefine performance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more running gear reviews and news. Stay fit, keep running, and see you in the next video.